I'm Dave McGrail. We're getting down to the brass tacks and hard facts of the Denver hose pack. We're simulating arrival on the floor below for a standpipe operation in a high-rise building. Fire floor is one above us. We'll refer to this as drop point number 1. We're in the hallway on the floor below. We want to get out of the stairwell because there's a lot of civilians coming down and firefighters are going up. The stairwell is very congested. Our firefighters will start dropping the hose packs at this time. We're dropping the hose packs so that they will be oriented with the 2 straps on the male side, starting with the nozzle section. The firefighters are disconnecting the hose pack straps. They'll make the connections, and then we'll have a 150-foot attack line, at which point we'll start back into the stairwell, heading up to the fire floor to make the attack. Firefighters will work together once again, straps off, they'll connect. This is our control firefighter who's heading back into the stairwell, at which point he'll flush the hose valve outlet, attach the appropriate appliances, and prepare to give the attack team water. Backup firefighter, nozzle firefighter are working together. And at this point, we'll leave drop point number 1. Nozzle firefighter will grab his pack. Backup firefighter will grab that pack. They'll head into the stairwell, and they're heading up to the fire floor. Control firefighter, once again, will flush and make connections and give the attack team water when they call for water. That's how we do a standpipe hose pack setup, attachment, and that's how we start the stretch from the floor below at what we refer to as drop point number 1. Okay, we're arriving at a simulated drop point number 2. We're doing an exterior view of what it would look like when we arrive on the fire floor. We've already hooked up on the floor below. That was our drop point number 1. This is going to be our drop point number 2. And in this simulated hallway, we're going to be headed to an apartment and doing a dry apartment stretch. We're able to do a dry apartment stretch because our truck company has control of a closed apartment door at that end. So at drop point number 2, one of the firefighters is dropping the hose pack intact, just the way it was built. This hose pack will pay out just like a pumper laying out from a hydrant to a fire. As we proceed down, we're going to be going down to drop point number 3, which is just outside of the fire apartment door. Critical for us is that the coupling between the nozzle section and the middle section make it right here to what we call drop point number 3. Now, based on the size up of our apartment door here, we have a left-handed swing. Because of the left-handed swing, we're going to stretch away from the apartment door in that direction. Reason being, most apartment doors are going to swing against a party wall, meaning that the body of the fire apartment is over here. Therefore, we have straight 2.5 going out in that direction, no 90-degree turn as we start to attempt the attack on this fire. Now, should this be a right-handed swinging door, we would make a simple adjustment. Simulating a right-handed swinging door, okay, Derek, I'm going to have you guys go ahead and stretch this out and make our S shape for me. This would simulate what we would do with a right-handed swinging door. Now, we have an S shape rather than a U shape, but once again, we have at least 25 feet of straight 2.5 that would be going into a doorway, right-handed swinging, with the body of the fire apartment on this side. That's drop point number 3 for the apartment stretch for standpipe operations.